Thank you for coming today. I am Suyash Saxena. I am going to share with you a presentation on tools for measuring employee performance. Now, first let us understand about what is employee performance. Employee performance is defined as the operational ability to satisfy the desire of the company's major shareholders, and it must be assessed to measure an organization's accomplishment. Companies typically set targets for individuals and company as a whole in hopes that business offers good values to customers, minimize waste, and operate efficiently. Performance management continues to be an important cornerstone in business and individuals for development. Employee performance is measured usually for two purposes. First one is for developing them, and second one is for evaluating the performance of the employees. It serves several useful purposes such as compensation plan, training and development, promotional decisions, feedback, and personality development. Now, the tools for measuring employee performance. First, self evaluation. Asking an employee to evaluate her own performance can be very effective. Often, employees might be more critical of their performance than HR manager might be. Comparing a self evaluation to your own objective appraisal can be helpful in finding similarities and discrepancies along with a richer understanding of employees' performance.
So now we are discussing about graphical rating. Graphical rating scale. It's a typical scale use sequential numbers such as 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. It used for rate the employees on the basis of their performance and their tasks given to them and their behavior element such as understood task and participate in decision making. The frequency of an employee perform a certain task or behavior such as always, frequently, occasionally, or never coming to work on time. These are judged on the graphical rating scale. On the basis as we can rate different employees on their different tasks and their difficulty of task, etc. 360-degree feedback. 360-degree feedback, as this is clear from the heading, the word feedback means taking the advice and suggestion of something from others. This well named system take into account the feedback, opinion and assessment of an employee performance from the circle of people in the company with whom they work. It can include co-workers, superior and others. Also evaluate the input from many sources. You can note positive and negative similarity and trend. A 360 feedback, also known as a multi-rater feedback, multi-source feedback or multi-source assessment. It is a process through which feedback from an employee, subordinate, colleagues and superior is gathered. 360 feedback is utilized by the organization for development purposes such as work skill and behavior of the employees. Now we are going to discuss about management by objective. Management by objective is also known as management by result. Actually, the management by objective is a process whereby employees and managers form objective together, or they both combine both and they both jointly perform the work and try to achieve the organization goal. How they align the company goal and how performance will be measured and everything. MBO gives employee a clear understanding of what expected and allow them to participate in the process, which may foster better communication and increase motivation. Advantages of MBO. MBO forces the manager to plan for activities but plan for result also. Enables the manager to concentrate on really important and profit influencing tasks. Disadvantages of MBO. Effective interaction between the superiors and subordinates may not be possible, and MBO lay emphasis on short-term goals.
Hello, I'm Bhadoria, MBA Section D. Checklist method. Checklist method is one of the easiest method of appraising an employee's performance. Under this method, a checklist is prepared by the HR manager and is forwarded to a rater. It may include a number of questions like, is the employee regular on the job, does he maintain discipline well, etc. The rater answers the questions in either yes or no, and then he evaluates and analyzes these answers and gives a rating to the employee. Then we have performance appraisal method. A performance appraisal is a regular review of an employee's job performance and overall contribution to a company. It is also known as performance evaluation or employees appraisal. It evaluates an employee's skills, achievements, and growth or lack thereof. Companies use performance appraisal to give employees big picture feedback on their work and to justify pay increases and bonuses, as well as termination decisions. They can be conducted at any time but generally tend to be annual, semi-annual, or quarterly. Next we have productivity tests. Productivity is one of the most common factors used in performance appraisals. To measure the quantitative productivity, the output produced by an employee during a specific time is measured. Generally, factories and manufacturing units adopt this. On the other hand, to measure the qualitative productivity of the employee, ways to assess how effective each employee's output is are adopted. For example, a content writer writes X number of blog posts in a month, measures their quantitative productivity, and the percentage of their blog posts resulted in customer leads measures their qualitative productivity.
Hello, my name is Nishchal and I'm going to explain key performance indicator, that is KPI. KPI is a quantifiable metric which apply both at organizational and individual level. At organizational level, it measures how efficiently an organization is achieving its goal, and at individual level, it monitors your performance at team level and departmental level and organizational level. KPI also include organizational visions, objectives, overall organization KPI, and goals. It ensures that every employee work is aligned and organized toward the success of organization. Next slide is conclusion, and conclusion is very simple. It is impossible to capture performance in one single employee performance metrics. The best metric is combination of different qualitative and quantitative employee performance metrics done by multiple people. And in addition to evaluating employee performance regularly, you need an employee performance improvement plan to respond to your findings. It helps to first identify why your employees do not meet performance expectation, and perhaps they lack proper training, motivation, morale, or understanding of performance targets. Once you've identified the cause, it's time to take action in the form of offering additional training, implementing an effective reward system, improving the work environment, empowering your workers, and using useful technologies. Thank you.